Hello guys, welcome to my new video which we will speak about today's most important tech news. So the first news is about China's top universities expand enrollment in AI and strategic fields. So it is very good news for you if you are interested in AI field, or if your field is computer science, you can continue, you can study in this field in top universities uh, in China. That you know that China nowadays is the one of the most important countries about new technologies, about AI. So if you are interested, you can search on internet and find top universities in China, and it is the best time for you because they are looking for more scientists to work on new technology and new world. So it is good news. You can, I think, just quick search on internet and find that universities and apply them, and you can study there. So another news is about TCL introduces QM6K mini LED TV. So technologies, the speed is very fast. We had in, I think, 7 8 years ago it was 2K, after that 4K, 6K, 8K, and nowadays mini LEDs TV that they are QM6K. So TCL introduced them. So price is $1,000, and it is 144 hertz refresh rate, VRR and ALLM. So it supports all major HDR formats and runs on Google TV. So if you are looking for mini monitors or mini TV, 6K TV, QM6K TV, you can buy these televisions from TCL. That is good brand for televisions. New news is about Honor, that is China company, and maybe some of you know it, maybe not. They are very big company, and they produce smartphones and AI phones, and nowadays they has introduced a new AI assistant called Honor UI Agent. That's it's look like DeepSeek, look like ChatGPT, but the big difference is, unlike other AI assistants, it processed tasks directly on the device, offering a more private and efficient experience. So it works on your device. So it's one important AI assistant, but I think that we just can test it if we have Honor phones, and I searched on internet, I couldn't find for other uh, telephones. Maybe it just work with Honors. So if you are Honor fan, if your telephone is from this brand, it is good news for you. And if you are interested for this kind of AI assistant, if you think about your privacy, maybe Honor is good choice for you. European Commission, they decide to ban gasoline cars sales by 2035. So if you are a big fan of cars, maybe it is bad news for you. And if you are big fan of environment, it is very good news for you. So in Europe, after 10 years, companies won't introduce uh, gasoline cars. That means Mercedes, BMW, big German cars won't have this system, and they all of them will be electric cars in that years. So it is your last years that can enjoy of your gasoline cars, maybe in Europe or in the world, because that companies are from Europe. So if they don't produce, for example, Mercedes with gasoline, so you cannot use also in your country. So you can enjoy these 10 years, guys. The US is in talk with India to remove import tariffs on cars as part of a trade deal. Do you remember I told you, I think 1 week ago, that India is deleting some tariffs for some part of phones. Do you remember I told, I shared that news that India is releasing some tariffs. So now USA will use of this situation and speak with them to remove tariffs for uh, car parts. And they, if you know or don't know, I will. I'm telling you that India, I think maybe I'm not sure, after China, is the biggest company that produce part of cars, smartphones. Also, smartphones companies are there. So no, so it is a very important country for technology. So nowadays, USA is working with removing import tariffs on cars as part of trade deal. So this agreement would facilitate Tesla entry into Indian markets. So where high import duties have been a barrier. So thousands of protesters gathered at Tesla showroom in Lisbon, Portugal. Um, so Elon Musk always speak. He is very active, and maybe we can say hyperactive in technology. Uh, or it should be in technology, but he is very active in also in politics. So in Europe, too many peoples comes in the street and they want to boycott Tesla because his mindset. He said something about uh, politics, that because I don't follow this kind of news. I don't know what's the exact news, but I know that too many people in Europe, in Portugal, try to boycott Tesla. I don't know, is it a good idea that when you have problem with one person's mindset, is it good that we boycott one company just because he is the first owner or creator of that company? Is it good idea or not? But it's happening now in Europe. You can write your comments inside comment box that is it good or not, to, because you are not agree with one person, boycott one big company. European Commission is working on a new law to ensure that insurance companies, leasing firms, and repair shops can access vehicles data fairly. So this data is matter nowadays in the world, and this legislation aims to resolve disputes between car makers, tech firms, and service providers. So, Apple introduces new iPad Air with AI features, and so look like other companies. Uh, they are making AI phones, not smartphones. We are changing from smartphones to AI phones. So Apple do same, and new Air, iPad Air, and new phones maybe in future will be with AI features. So you can search on internet. I don't have enough time to read all of them prices, but they are working with AI after this. And this news is not very new, but it was important, so I also read this news. Microsoft develops its own AI models. Name is Muse or Mouse MUSE. Uh, Microsoft is working on creating its own AI reasoning model. So this development could reduce its reliance on OpenAI. So it's very, very big and important news that they are working maybe with OpenAI, and they are introducing their own AI system. So guys, some of that words is really hard to me also, and I don't know honestly meaning of them in English, but as we understand this news, that it's very good that Microsoft is also working on AI and they have their own models. So we will see that what will be in future, what will happen. I hope that you enjoy today's news. Write your comments. What do you think? You can support me with your opinion. You can write what do you think about my videos, how I can improve them, and what's your idea for next videos. You can also share them, your questions, and I can make video and answer your questions to uh, inside one video. See you. Have a good day. I hope very good day with positive people, good news, and very far from bad things. See you guys.